left, and then I can go right over to the D, the other one. Today, you did D minor, natural, the 7th degree of the scale. And the left hand, the 4th finger, you have to memorize is on the 2nd note of the scale, which is D. So when you memorize where your 4th fingers fall, all the other fingers, come and fall into place. So we have, let me write down something here. E flat, F, G, A flat, B natural, C, B natural, A flat, G, and F, E flat, D, and C. Now let's try the left hand. 4th finger on D, E flat, F, G, 3rd finger, A flat, B, and C, B natural, A flat, G, and F, E flat, D, and C. Now I want to see, Riaz, if you can do that. Just do it once. Hands on. Yeah, go ahead.
What are naturals? You didn't teach
Oh, we
me.
didn't talk about that before. Okay. A natural sign, what it does, it negates the flat. So if you had this key has 3 flats. The first flat is B flat, the second flat is E flat, and the third flat, the furthest flat to the right, is A flat. So B is ordinarily flatted. You would just flat the B because of the flat in the key signature. But they don't want you to flat it, they want you to raise it a half step. See, in the harmonic minor scale, the 7th note of the scale is always raised a half step. And it's naturalized to show that it's no longer flat. It's on the white key. So they put a natural sign there. Remember, we have a sharp sign that looks like a tic-tac-toe. We have a natural sign. We have a double flat sign that looks like this, and a double sharp sign that looks like this. It raises the note a whole step. So it's B flat. It would be B flat in the natural minor scale. The notes would be A flat, B flat, C. In the harmonic minor scale, the B is raised a half step, become B natural. See how that works?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I haven't taught you the natural minor scale yet, but we have to, there are 3 minor scales. The natural minor, the harmonic minor, and the third form of the scale is the, let's see, melodic minor scale. So we have 3 forms on the minor scale: the natural minor, the harmonic minor, and the melodic minor. Each scale has a formula. If you follow the formula, you can write a scale, harmonic minor scale on any one of these keys. Like the C minor scale, from C to D is a whole step because there's 1 key in between. From D to E flat, it's called a half step because you're getting to the closest key. And, from E flat to F is a whole step. From F to G is a whole step. G to A flat is a half step. A flat to B natural is a step and a half. And B to C is a half step. So you see there's a formula with the different scales. And you can write out all these half steps and whole steps on a piece of paper. And I can do that for you so you can see the formulas for the different keys. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Staccato. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Staccato with the left hand. Now slide up F. Slide up to the F chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See what you were doing? You were sliding down here. You got to slide up. Here's the C chord. Here's the F chord. 5th finger on F. C, D, E, F. Okay. Can you do that for next time?
Yes.
Okay. Quarter note. Dotted half notes. So you have different kinds of notes in here. A dotted quarter note, a quarter note with a dot after it, gets 1.5 counts. An 8th note, as you know, only gets half a count. A quarter note gets a full count, gets 1 count. Half note gets 2 counts. And a half note with a dotted half note gets
3 counts.
3 counts. So those are the kinds of notes we have on this piece. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you do the right hand alone?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if you can do that. Carefully. These two notes come together. This note comes in between. Then you play this note. These two played with the rest, that's silence. These two quarter notes go with this note, and this was played with the rest. This is played with the rest, and you hold it through, bum, bum, bum. This is tied, so you don't play it again. A, B, C, and A are played together, then you play the D, hold the key down, then D, C, B. A is played with C, and is played with D. A is played with the rest, D with the rest, B, D, hold the D down, and then you don't play this again, but you play the B. So you have to play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Tell me if you understand that.
Yes.
Okay. Think you can do it next week?
Yes.
Okay, because you didn't have really much chance to practice before today. Because you just came back from the holiday, so I don't expect you to have that perfect. So let's play on page 28 to the right sharp. This is the last sharp. This sharp is on the C space. See the third space? This first sharp is on the top line, which is the F line, so it's F sharp. You understand that?
Yes.
You're in the D position. 1 and 2 and 3 and very slowly. 1 and 2 and A sharp. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and hold it. 4 and 1 and 2 and slide up C sharp. 3 and 4 and 1. Okay. Will you have time to study that for next week?
Yes.
You want to do it next week?
I can do it now.
Oh, you can do it now? Okay. E, G, F sharp, E, D, F sharp, and A. Hold it. E, G, F sharp, E, A. Left hand. G, A, F sharp, G, A, and like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you have to make sure you count it right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. We better use all the ands because it's the only way you can